SE, uma produção DJ Nando MD.
Nay, Daddy's back. Yeah. C3. I'm a millionaire. I'm a young money millionaire. Tougher than Nigerian hairman criteria compared to your career just isn't fair. I'm a venereal disease, like a menstrual. I bleed through a pencil and leak on the sheet of the tablet in my mind. Cause I don't write nothing cause I ain't got time. Got my seconds, minutes, hours go to the almighty dollar and the almighty power of Allah. Yeah, sister, brother, son, daughter, father, mother, lovely papas, got the Maserati dancing on the bridge, trunk popping till the coppers. You can't get them, you can't stop them. I go by them rules. You can't beat them, then you pop them. You can't man them, then you pop them. You can't stand them, then drop them. You pop them. See, guys, I'm like overridden by the young mother. C3, Nay, Daddy's back, baby. Okay, I'm millionaire, I'm a young money millionaire. But y'all really wanna laugh, y'all don't really wanna do it. If hip-hop is dead, I am the environment fluid. And I don't care who it be, I'm stepping to it. Notice I say it, cause to me, it ain't shit. Get it? Call me with your light trick, call me on my sidekick. Never answer when it's private. Man, I hate a shy chick. Don't you hate a shy chick? I had a plate of shy chick and she sure know. She changed her name to my chick. Yeah, boy, that's my girl. And she pops excellent up in Wayne's World. Totally, dude, you should see their faces when they see that this robot can move. And it's a
Som SE, a qualidade que você merece.
That's right. I'm millionaire, I'm a young money, cash money, fast money, slow money, bull money, never knew money. What is that? Who is that? I never heard of it. I will take your picture and make a rest in peace shirt of it. Someone should take this beat and make a rest in peace shirt of it because I killed it. I don't tell no one you heard of me.